So first off, my first tip is getting a second veggie bowl. I don't get starch usually, so I get a second bowl for veggies, so I can just load up my bowl with extra veggies. So I'm going to get some crab and I'm going to get some scallops. So for spices, I like the spicier the better, so I'm going to get a little bit of cayenne. And some of the garlic citrus herb. The veggies is going to be where the second bowl comes in handy. I'm going to load this up with some peppers and onions. So, got a good mix there, but I'm going to add in some additional peppers on the other side over here. And then I'm going to get this second bowl filled with nothing but tomatoes and, let's see, some tomatoes and broccoli. And, let's see.
Yeah, you should put some knife. You get an egg? Yeah,
Another way that the second bowl comes in handy, kind of press it down, make sure you're getting all the veggies that you can possibly fit in there. So, tomatoes, and lots of broccoli. So we have the protein, we have the veggies, and last but not least we need the sauce. So we have lots of choices here, but my favorite is actually going to be this little beauty right here. It's going to be the Asian chili sauce. So I'm just going to get a couple spoonfuls of this. And it's going to give us a lot of spice. And then maybe mix in a little bit of the kanzu sauce. That's going to be perfect. As I said, we're not getting any starch today, so we just got our number, 65, and we're going to go take it over to our table. And here it is. I'm going to get to work.